Jerry Gunn!
Yeah! Let's go!
Yeah, Virginia!
Let's go! Yes! Let's go, yeah!
We're standing on guard.
Lean on me.
We're standing on guard.
When you're not strong.
We're standing on guard. Thank you so much.
This is emotional, guys.
I love every single one of you. This week we give lead us God to dedication.
That's right, guys. Good job. Good job. Proud of you. This is amazing.
I will die for your children. I've never done this kind of thing before. None of us have.
Keep sharing, you guys. Please, please keep sharing. This is a peaceful stand.